In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter a Notion database. Notion has become an incredibly popular tool for organizing information, managing projects, and staying on top of your tasks. One of the key features that makes Notion so powerful is its databases. However, as you add more and more information to your databases, it can sometimes become overwhelming. That's where filtering comes in, allowing you to focus on the most relevant data that you need at any given time. First, let's start by opening your Notion database. This is the fundamental step before applying any filters. Once you have your database ready, make sure it's displayed in the view that best suits your needs, whether that's a table, a list, a board, or any other format you might be using in Notion. Now locate the filter option. This is usually found at the top of your database view. Clicking this will open up the filter menu where the magic really happens. It's where you tell Notion exactly what you're looking for within your data. Next, you'll want to select Add Filter. It's a simple option that begins the process of defining the specifics of your filter. This part is critical because here's where you specify how you want your database to be filtered. So proceed to choose a property. Your database likely has several properties such as name, status, date, and many others, depending on how you've set it up. In this example, let's choose the status property. This property might be used to categorize entries as in progress, completed, or to do, making it an essential aspect of our organizational system. After selecting the property, you'll set a condition. Conditions are essentially the logic behind your filter. Some examples include is not, contains, and many more. For this demonstration, we will choose is, indicating that we're looking for entries with an exact match to a specific value we will set next.